God, my eyes! My fake eye! Oh yeah. I'm blind! No! I don't always have this problem. I can't find the hole. I'm embarrassed right now. Yo, man, I know. Be careful when you can't find it.
What are you doing? No.
For straw. There's a hole in both ends.
No!
This is what I call straw plastic sugar.
You're so mean.
What are you doing?
Videotaping. It's my only memory of you, PJ. Probably never see you again after this.
You probably will.
Where? Exactly. You're not going to be here anymore.
You really got to stop following me, man. It's getting really embarrassing. I'm not very good at it. I'm trying to practice. Just in case I ever want to, like, you know, switch. Yeah. What team I'm swinging for? Ah!
I wonder if this thing has sound.
You didn't need to hear the Carlos and PJ Tubbs.
Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't.
We'll stop recording.
Okay.
I can plus that. Yeah, what would we call this?
It's a plant.
Yeah. I think it's weed. Probably weed up there somewhere. It's in the middle of it. This is all this.
Stash.
This is all this cover.
It's stash.
It's Trina's stash, I bet.
I really hope this doesn't have sound.
Trina would have to climb up on the chair to get it. I don't think she can.